Let's take a look out at those highs for today. Got back up into those mid-70s in Bangor, 75 degrees for our high today. A little bit cooler by the coast as usual. Bar Harbor at 71. We could see Rockland at 69 degrees. But still, that southwestern portion of the state was in those low to mid-70s today. And then up to the northwest, we can see Greenville at 69, a little bit cooler. But if you take a look up north at Presque Isle, they hit 80 degrees today. So they were the warmest for our area today. And let's take a look at those future temperatures for those overnight lows. Looks like 62 degrees right around 1 a.m. for us, and lots of areas in those low 60s for tonight. Lots of areas are going to be in those low 60s throughout the whole state. Maybe over to the northwest, we can see some areas in those upper 50s, but other than that, we are going to be in those low 60s for much of us throughout the night tonight. Going into tomorrow afternoon, Bangor right around 76 degrees, just like it was today. Cooler by the coast. Deer Isle at 67 degrees, back into those 60s. We can see those 60s off to the east as well, and then some more low 70s up north near Clayton Lake. So lots of fluctuations of temperatures, but still pretty warm out there. And looking at that temperature trend, we are going to warm up to start off our work week on Monday. Looks like we'll have a high of 79 degrees. That is before that low pressure moves in, though, and cools us off back into those low 70s Tuesday and Wednesday. But then those temperatures are going to bounce right back up. We can see by the weekend, we'll have a high of 80 degrees on Saturday. Taking a look at that radar from afar, that low pressure system is getting closer and closer. We can see some stray showers now outside of the frontal zone, and those are starting to enter our state, bringing some cloud cover over into the state of Maine. Taking a look at that future forecast, we can see that that cloud cover is going to move in throughout Sunday early morning, and then by 6:30 is when we could have a few stray showers just to the northwest of Bangor, but it doesn't look like much of us are going to be affected by that. Still some showers that may go by throughout the evening hours, but then let's take a look overnight into those early morning hours. Monday, right around 2:30 a.m., that's when we could have a slight chance for some thunderstorms, especially on the coastal areas east of Bangor as well. One thing that we have seen today is we've had some bad air quality. That is due to some wildfire smoke. A lot of us are in the moderate, so this could be something to look out for, especially for people who are sensitive to air quality like this. And if we take a look for today, there was a lot of haze in the sky due to that wildfire smoke. Lots of the state was covered in that wildfire. Lots of areas were covered by the wildfire smoke for today, and it's still going to linger into tomorrow. You can see there's still that area that is going to be covered, but it is definitely going to improve, and those air quality measurements are going to get better. For tonight, we'll have a low of 60 degrees. We'll have those increasing clouds, and then after midnight, we'll have some areas of dense fog, so watch out for that if you're driving. Otherwise, those winds are going to be from the south at 5 miles per hour. For tomorrow, high 76 degrees, mostly cloudy and hazy. That haze will stick around for a little bit, but it will get better. Winds will be a little bit breezy from the south-southeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Take a look at your extended forecast. Monday, we got that low pressure moving in, bringing some showers and thunderstorms that will last into Tuesday, but things will improve by Wednesday and Thursday with highs back in the mid to upper 70s.